The doors are officially open at SEMA 2025. What a year it's gonna be.
This is more than a trade show. It's where innovation launches, partnerships begin, and the heartbeat of the industry comes to life.
So again, thank you so much. This is the annual YPO automotive event, limited to 40 individuals. We had to turn away, poor Matt had to turn away 25 people. First things first is I would love for you guys to give a massive round of applause to the McAllen and Raquel. Thank you so much. You guys are going to be whiskey tasting a lot of expensive alcohol tonight.
$7:30 Wednesday night at SEMA. We just finished the most exclusive YPO event. It's quiet, man. It's quiet. You can hear a pin drop in the center of, or in the middle of Central Hall. It is the most exclusive spot in SEMA, right here. I don't know. I think, am I dreaming? Do you have to pinch me? This is like crazy. It's just crazy. No, this is a fun time. It was a great event. Team nailed it. I mean, Speedmaster team, high five. YPO Global, high five. Everyone that was involved. You had people putting glasses on, checking out if they fit. We had Calicio spray painting everyone's favorite rides. I mean, he was spray painting Audis and Mercedes-Benzes and everything else. And you had Raquel, who was out there giving McAllen lessons on how to sip whiskey. It was hilarious. You got people nosing them, testing them. Some people drinking too much, some people are drinking enough. Some people, questioning about which chocolates pair with which. It was just a great event. Oh my God. Phenomenal event. Alex gave the coolest speech about how he's a part of the Hennessy Performance family. At least we know now how to nose a whiskey. So yeah, it was fun. So thanks again. Thanks again to everyone that was involved, and yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate everything. Cheers, man. See you in the next one.